Fica parado, ó. Espera aí. Espera aí, ó. Uma foto.
What doing?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Give me a kiss. One more.
Come on, little one. It's time for bed. Come on there, your sister. Come on. Go to bed. Bedtime. It's bedtime. Come on. Bird, just use your feet. Good girl.
This bird let itself out, worked out, handled its finances, and locked itself back in. This macaw doesn't steal snacks, he executes a full pantry heist.
I caught a banana. I caught this banana. What am I? You look really ripe. Whoa, whoa, look at you go. No, 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 flip. Fucker.
Who's that good boy? Who's that good bird? La 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 la. La la. La 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 la.
And it even squeaks. You like it?
Why fly for free when you can suffer dramatically instead? Nothing ruins an email like a feathered megaphone. Tiny bird, maximum chaos. Why call a human when you've got an engineer in feathers?
Kids, give him a dog.
Bro.
Say go night night.
Go night night. Oh my God.
Why didn't he do it? Why didn't he do it when I said it? That's the one that really trips your mind.
Yeah, that
out.
is crazy.
Handstand in the back somersault.
Sure.
Phineas. Handstand in the back somersault, dude.
No way. No way,
How about
bro.
this one? How about this one? Birdie juggling. You ready for birdie juggling? Don't try this at home. They don't like it. Oh, I don't. I've had him for 32 years.
Bro.
Catch him. Oh, shit.
Bro. Crazy,
One more.
dude.
Give him a shot. Just go. No, just go.
No, bro. Crazy.
On your shoulder, boss. Turn around and let him get a shot at him.
Okay, please don't hurt me. I didn't do anything to you. I didn't do anything to you.
Dude, that's so sick.
This lovebird takes paperwork very personally.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't quit. Come on, you got it.
Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird?
This parrot has officially reached peak main character energy.
Who's a pretty bird?
At this point, wings are clearly optional.
Come on, man, I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. No! You can wait a minute. I'm trying to write an email.
Nothing ruins an email like a feathered megaphone.
Look, you're not coming over here. You're not. Don't do Bentley, watch out. I gotta put my feet up. Hey! Get out of here! No! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to... Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey!
Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
This bird is living its best bath life. Full soak, wings out, pure bliss. The laziest landing in aviation history.
It's for you to be... It's like a playground. That way, if I'm not holding you, you can hang out on it. Really?
This scarlet macaw walks like a tiny dinosaur.
What are you doing on the ground? Hi. Hi. Oh, you little baby. Hi.
Even birds remember the toilet paper shortage.
Excuse me? We don't eat that book. Jalapeno pancake. No. No. Yeah, see? Get out of here. We don't eat that book. No, we don't. You're so disobedient. Pino, no. Oh, Joey Wiggerton.
Okay, we know you gotta go poopy. Let's go. Had to tell him about Bartholomew. We forgot about him in the last video. Go poopy. That was a big one. Yeah, that was a big one.
Hey.
Cooper has gone full heavy metal, headbanging and screeching non-stop. Peak athletic performance from a bird that never skips leg day. His head may be stuck, but the confidence is fully intact.
Hey, get out of here! No! Well, stop! Why do you want to fight? Why do you want to? Why do you want to fight tonight? Hey!
Hola, bebé. What are you doing? I love you.
Have you ever seen a more dramatic bird than this? This macaw doesn't just mimic, he amplifies the chaos.
From riding a miniature bicycle and sinking a tiny basketball to dropping coins in a piggy bank, this incredibly clever bird is proving that positive reinforcement training can unlock truly mind-blowing cognitive abilities. These elaborate tricks go far beyond simple mimicry, requiring balance, logic, and a clear understanding of sequence and reward. Fun fact: extensive scientific research has shown that some parrot species possess the problem-solving skills, spatial awareness, and emotional intelligence equivalent to a 3 to 5-year-old human child.